Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to confirm bank account on PayPal. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to confirm bank accounts on PayPal? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are in paypal.com. So to do this, you need to go to your profile. As you can see, you're going to have your name here. It's blurred for mine. And then click on account settings. So to confirm your bank account, you should you will need to do this if you are pretty much putting a new bank account. So to do this, you go to this left menu here, and you see money, banks, and cards. Click on that, and then as you can see here, you have one bank account, you have cards and whatnot. So click on link a new bank account, right? Click on that. And you're gonna need to put in the information of bank name, bank code, account number, whether business or personal, and then link your bank. After that, you're gonna get an email for an email verification to confirm your email, your new bank account that's linked to the PayPal account that you have. And it might take it's gonna take 2 to 5 days, business days. So weekends don't count. So make sure you do this early in the week or later in the week, so that you won't need to wait for too long. Usually within 1 to 2 days, they're going to send the email. After that, just click on the link on the email that PayPal sends you, and you're going to have your bank account confirmed, verified. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.